In this short video tutorial, I want to share with you how to download Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. So all you need to do to download Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 is to open your Chrome browser, and then you can come to your browser over here and just type Microsoft Edge. Okay, you just hit on enter and you can see the first one, microsoft.com. Download Microsoft Edge web browser, and it will bring you over here. So you can just click on download, and it will take you all the way down here, and you can see download for Windows 11, Windows 10, 8.1, 8.07, and Windows Server 2016. You can see other Windows at the bottom as well: Mac OS, Linux RPM, iOS, and Android. You can download all these for yourself, but for now we are going with the latest, which is Windows 11. So we just click on Windows 11 and it's going to pop up this Microsoft Edge license settings, and you just accept everything. We say thank you, your download will begin shortly, and you can see it over here just starting to download. Once it downloads, we just install it directly. So we click on close, and we can see it over here just downloaded. We just double click, we'll just click to install. It's a click through, so we just say yes to this. Alright, so you can see it has just finished installation and it has just opened Microsoft Edge for us. So this is a bit about how to download and install Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. You can do anything with it right now. You can just start by, so you can just try anything, and you can see it's working perfectly. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit about how to download and install Microsoft Edge for Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.